Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. Before taking out the diesel filter, unclip both feed and return hoses on the diesel filter. You can use a screwdriver to help you. This operation allows you to get some slack on the hoses, and as a result facilitates the disconnection of the hoses on the diesel filter during the next steps. On this vehicle, the diesel filter is located behind the mud guard on the right-hand wheel. Loosen the stud bolts on the passenger side wheel. In order to change your diesel filter, it is required to lift the front of your vehicle. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You can then remove the wheel. Don't forget to hit them under the vehicle. To do this, unscrew the retaining screw using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 7mm socket. Remove the holding clips using a fork.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You can now take off the mudguard. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 10mm socket, unscrew the retaining nut on the diesel fuel filter flange cover. Remove the filter from its housing. Disconnect the water pressure sensor's electrical connectors. Take a liquid collector for the diesel that will flow out of the filter. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids. Then, using pliers, disconnect the hose by pushing down on the white-colored part. Don't force too much as the part is fragile. Disconnect the second hose in the same way as the first one, then remove the filter. Unscrew the drain screw under the filter to release the diesel contained in the cartridge. This will allow you to drain the filter into the liquid collector. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a T25 Torx bit, unscrew the water pressure sensor retaining screw. Then remove the sensor by firmly pulling on it. It is often necessary to use a screwdriver to pry out the sensor, as it is very difficult to remove. Using a flat screwdriver, remove the seal from the bleed screw. Next, clean the drain screw. Have the new gasket ready. Install the seal on the drain screw. Lubricate the seal to make it easier to install the screw. Perform the same operation on the 3 sensor seals. Take the new filter and remove the sealing cap. You can now screw the drain screw back on. Remove the covers. Take a container filter with diesel and fill the filter. Then put the water pressure sensor back in place. Then screw the screw back in. The assembly of your new filter is now ready. Reclip the hoses. Reconnect the electric connector. Install the new filter into its housing. Put the cover back on. Then screw the nut back on. You can now fix the mudguard back in place with the plastic rivets and the retaining screw. You can then put the vehicle wheel back in place and lower your car to the ground, not forgetting to fully fix the wheel in place. Clip the diesel inlet and outlet hoses back on. Before starting your vehicle, pump the primer pump until it becomes hard. This will fill the diesel fuel filter and to expel the air that entered the system during the work. Reinstall the engine cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.